iQOO will launch the Z10 on April 11th with a 7,300 mAh battery, and while the brand hasn't detailed its spec sheet yet, one of its posts on X confirmed the smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon chip. Well, iQOO hasn't explicitly confirmed this, but it has tagged the Snapdragon India's account in its post, confirming the Z10 will have a Snapdragon SoC at the helm. The post in question shows the iQOO Z10 in stellar black color, while another X post shows us the phone in glacier silver. Both models look similar to the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus, which is launching in China on March 31st. Vivo has confirmed it will come with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC, 7,300 mAh battery, and 90W charging. Judging by the design and the battery size, it appears the iQOO Z10 will be a rebranded Vivo Y300 Pro Plus for the Indian market. We'll have to wait for more specs of both smartphones to be confirmed to be sure of that. In the meantime, you can read our first impressions of the iQOO Neo 10R, which recently went on sale in India. Its key specs include the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 SoC, a 144Hz AMOLED screen, and a 6,400 mAh battery.